Welcome back to the channel. So today we're in Dublin city centre and I wanted to show you one of the best known and loved outdoor markets in the city, Moore Street. If you're new to Walk with Niamh, we share travel vlogs, hotel reviews and walking tours from around Ireland, Spain and the UK. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's free to do and really does help us out. Once famous for its fresh meat, fish, fruit and vegetable stalls, as well as the Dublin wit of its traders, Moore Street was a hub for the community, but in the last 20 years the street market has been in decline. We're currently on Henry Street, with O'Connell Street ahead and the Spear of Dublin dominating the skyline. The GPO is just at the end of this street. We're just coming up to Moore Street now, and I can see a couple of stalls selling mixed bouquets, fresh lilies and roses. One of the first things I have noticed is the number of shops selling phone repairs, cases and electronics. There must be at least 5. The market here in Moore Street was first established in the 18th century, making it one of the oldest marketplaces in the city. Hey guys, just to let you know, if you want to have access to these videos early, as well as exclusive content that's ad-free, we do have a Patreon page. Click the link in the description below. Becoming a member on Patreon is optional. Obviously, we love and appreciate everyone that watches, likes and comments on our videos, and will continue to upload vlogs to YouTube. There's undoubtedly been a big shift in how people shop, as more and more Dubliners choose to visit supermarkets and shopping centres rather than the markets. How can market traders compete with the likes of Deals, owned by Poundland in the UK, supermarket giant Lidl, and I can see a Tesco at the bottom of the street? How has this been allowed to happen? Let me know in the comments and share your memories of Moore Street, Or if you've lived in Dublin, what do you think about the changes the city has undergone in recent years? If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we upload videos in the future. Thanks for watching.